Education Plus Kit is for organizations either brand new to Google Workspace for Education Plus or those that already have it. Google Workspace for Education Plus offers all the existing Google Workspace for Education functionality, plus features like enterprise-grade capabilities in analytics, communications, learning tools, security, teaching, and video. Included in the kit is a review of advanced analytics and security. Have you ever felt overwhelmed and confused on how to use the security analytics tools that are provided with Google Workspace for Education Plus? You can get an in-depth review on your security health page with one of our team members. This conversation is designed to shed light on the ways that you can proactively reduce security risks. The kit also looks at license provisioning. Does your organization spend too much time and resources on provisioning licenses? We can review your current processes and determine whether automating your license provisioning would be beneficial to your environment. The kit also includes a review of the investigation tool inside of Google Workspace for Education Plus. Have you ever felt that the security resources with Google Workspace for Education Plus were fantastic, but you didn't quite know where to start or how to sort through all the information? We will dedicate a member of our team to your organization, and they will take an in-depth look at the investigation tool. With the investigation tool, you can view, modify, delete, and block potential spam messages and other security threats. You can learn more about our Education Plus kit, as well as everything else Kincaid IT can do to support your school district on our website, www.kincaidit.com.